There have been some truly monumental developments across multiple areas of artificial intelligence recently that I want to comprehensively catch you up on today. From groundbreaking new generative AI systems for images, text, and 3D, to huge progress in self-driving cars and video analysis, it's been one of the most significant periods for AI advances in years. Let's dive deep into all key innovations. DALL-E 3. First up, let's talk about DALL-E 3, the latest version of OpenAI's revolutionary image generation AI system. DALL-E 3 improves upon DALL-E 2 in a number of important ways. It can generate images at a huge 1024 by 1024 pixels, resulting in an unprecedented level of detail and realism. DALL-E 3 has also been trained on orders of magnitude more image and text data compared to prior versions. This makes DALL-E 3 extraordinarily skilled at comprehending language prompts and generating a vast diversity of images down to the pixel level. In demos, we've seen DALL-E 3 create jaw-droppingly lifelike and artistic portraits, landscapes, abstract concepts, and more from text prompts. It handles remarkably complex and nuanced prompts significantly better than any prior AI system. DALL-E 3 exhibits an incredible level of creativity, abstraction, attention to detail, and overall coherence that captures the nearly limitless potential of AI image generation. This system represents a giant leap forward towards machines that can see the world through text alone. DALL-E 3 is able to conjure incredibly specific scenes and characters simply by describing them in natural language. It can match art styles ranging from oil paintings to anime drawings with stunning accuracy. DALL-E 3 represents a massive step towards controllable, multimodal generative art. We may look back on DALL-E 3 as an inflection point where text-to-image AI started delivering on its full potential. BARD. Moving on to language AI, Google showcased some remarkably impactful improvements to its conversational AI system, BARD. After receiving fair criticism over factual inaccuracies in early demos, Google has put immense work into significantly expanding BARD's knowledge base across fields like science, history, and current events. It can accurately summarize multi-page articles after reading them, a task that was previously very difficult for AI. Critically, BARD now cites trustworthy online sources in its responses. The citations allow users to easily fact-check BARD's responses themselves, promoting transparency. Google is also intensely focused on refining BARD's conversational abilities, making interactions feel more natural, helpful, and easy to use. BARD can now admit knowledge gaps if asked a question outside its training, ask clarifying questions, and associate pieces of conversation together to inform coherent dialogues. While there is still progress to be made improving accuracy around recent events and niche topics, BARD is rapidly becoming an incredibly powerful AI assistant thanks to Google's relentless iterations. With deep integration into Google Search on the horizon, it could soon help millions find quick factual answers at scale. Being able to have discussions with an AI that can tap into a vast knowledge base, synthesize complex information, cite sources, and admit mistakes when unsure represents a huge leap forward. Conversational AI like BARD promises to augment human intelligence and problem solving in incredible ways. Midjourney 3D. Midjourney, one of the most popular and advanced AI image generators, recently introduced groundbreaking 3D capabilities. After generating a 2D image, Midjourney can now map it to a 3D model, allowing you to view and manipulate the scene from different angles and distances. The level of detail is amazing. You can zoom, pan, and rotate the AI-generated 3D environments seamlessly without distortion. The lighting, textures, shadows, and shapes remain remarkably consistent and coherent from every perspective. Midjourney also lets you morph the image by moving 3D control points. This allows smoothly animating facial expressions, body poses, object motions, and other artistic tweaks. The animations exhibit impressive spatial continuity across frames. While it doesn't yet match professional 3D rendering tools, Midjourney's 3D imagery represents an incredibly impressive demonstration of how AI can expand the dimensionality of generative art. Being able to take conceptual 2D images and turn them into navigable 3D worlds, Midjourney continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in AI generative art. Their pace of rapid innovation shows this field is accelerating faster than ever. We can only imagine what they'll unlock next. But for now, Midjourney 3D represents a hugely significant leap into the multi-dimensional creativity. New self-driving advances. On the crucial self-driving front, several top companies and research groups have recently announced major milestones. Google's Waymo launched fully autonomous rides in dense urban areas like San Francisco and Phoenix with no human safety driver at all. This marks a historic step towards safe, scalable commercial driverless taxi services becoming a reality. Waymo's new rider-only service shows its confidence in autonomous capability. The AI demonstrated impressive situational awareness, planning, and vehicle control while navigating complex traffic scenarios. Waymo continues leading the pack in self-driving research. Meanwhile, Tesla released an impressive video demonstrating its full self-driving technology, smoothly navigating extremely complex urban environments solely with cameras and AI. No other company has shown such advanced versatility in navigating tight city streets. However, experts caution that Tesla still lacks critical sensor redundancy needed for full autonomy in every situation. But the progress is undeniable. Tesla's neural networks appear adept at predicting pedestrian, cyclist, and driver behaviors accurately. Researchers at UC Berkeley also successfully completed a fully autonomous 97-mile nighttime drive on public roads under challenging real-world conditions. The robotaxi demonstrated precision lane keeping, safe distance from vehicles, timely speed adjustments, and more. Of course, full autonomy requires an impeccable safety record over billions of miles. We should remain patient and vigilant around preventing any AI blind spots from resulting in accidents, but the performance gains in perception and planning are highly promising. In summary, self-driving technology is gaining practical capabilities at a remarkable rate thanks to neural network simulation and real-world testing breakthroughs. We may see autonomous taxis become commonplace sooner than expected. YouTube AI. Finally, let's discuss some highly promising AI developments from YouTube that showcase the progress in video analysis. YouTube has trained sophisticated deep learning speech recognition models that can transcribe videos across a diverse range of languages, accents, slang, and technical terms with far higher accuracy than ever before. This unlocks valuable new accessibility features and significantly improves video search. The transcription AI can handle noisy audio and correctly interpret context-dependent phrases that used to trip up earlier models. It shows the rapid improvements in speech-to-text through training on massive datasets. YouTube has also developed AI that can create smooth, coherent animations, mimicking a pose or expression in a still image extracted from a video. While still a bit rough around the edges, this technology shows the enormous potential to make static videos far more lively, interactive, and customizable using AI. And YouTube's AI can now automatically tag untold numbers of videos by location just by analyzing subtle visual and audio clues, without needing any GPS metadata. It demonstrates that progress in contextual visual and audio understanding. Some really amazing capabilities coming to YouTube and beyond, powered by rapidly improving AI. Video analysis has long been a challenging domain for ML, so seeing these successes is incredibly encouraging. In conclusion, there's clearly been remarkable progress among many AI fields recently. Systems like DALL-E 3, BARD, and Midjourney 3D highlight the blistering pace of innovation in synthesizing data into ever more realistic and useful digital content. And achievements in self-driving along with YouTube AI demonstrate how machine learning continues to get better at accurately perceiving and making sense of the physical world. It's undoubtedly an incredibly exciting time in the evolution of artificial intelligence. Let us know which of these technologies impress, worry, or excite you the most. AI will keep advancing rapidly, so it's crucial we have thoughtful discussions around ensuring its positive potential for humanity while mitigating risks. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay closely up to date on the latest innovations as we follow these accelerating developments in upcoming videos. Until next time, goodbye!